Here's the project, taking this down, full of great boulders and rocks for the dog pond. Bit of a task, but have a go. Managed to get in, and got my little system here because I'm supporting a hernia at the minute. So I'm filling half of the crates up with rocks just for weight, and then I can manage it.